Today I will show you how to create website using a Bootstrap. Bootstrap, also known as CSS Framework. So if we want to create website with Bootstrap, we must know the CSS concept, the fundamental, the basic. It's so much important. And then we can implement our Bootstrap inside our website. With Bootstrap, we can create our website that can adapt. I mean, if we want to create that layout, it can adapt, can access like all of device. I mean, like a smartphone, desktop, or tablet. We must give the command or tell the browser that our layout have that kind of feature. Okay, so let's go to Bootstrap. Okay, just go to bootstrap.com and then it's automatically redirect to getbootstrap.com. Don't forget to download here. Okay, I just download here. Okay, so don't forget to open our archive here. Right click and then choose extract. So this is inside our folder here. And for this tutorial, tools that I use, the idea is Sublime Text. Don't forget to create a new directory. It's just simple website. And then put the Bootstrap code inside our directory. Here. Okay. Right click and new file and then save. First step is create our file index.html. Okay, here. The most important, if we create that website have feature like a responsive, we must give the meta tag name viewport here, and then this is, it's like a formula here. Just home and main domain, and then let's type something here. H1 hello from Bootstrap. Okay, and right click, open in browser. Okay, hello from Bootstrap. And don't forget, we must do something like installation. Put our several script inside our file here. Put a several code here. Okay, just call our CSS, Bootstrap CSS. Don't forget Bootstrap -5.1.3 this, and then slash. I just want to use this bootstrap.css. Okay, and let's try to run again. Okay, I think it's something wrong here. I just forgot this CSS slash. Let's try. Okay, perfect. And next step is, don't forget to create our plugin here. Okay, just access Bootstrap 5.1.3 this slash gs slash bootstrap, not .js. I just want to use .bundle here .js. Okay, so I just want to make sure. Reload, right click, view page source. Perfect, it's connected or linked. Okay, it's done. And then let's try to create our navigation here. The feature is already there, so we just call it. Okay, it's so much faster. But like I said before, we must know the CSS. We must know the basic about CSS. Okay, so I just choose a navbar here, and then I just copy and then put inside our code here. Don't forget, we must know, we must create our, I mean, it's like a structure wrapper here. Okay, and then create end of wrapper here, and then create a div id header, and then end of header, div id menu, and then end of menu, and div id content, and then end of content, and the last div id footer here. Okay, end of footer. Okay, it's done. Now I just want to put this code inside our code. Okay, here. Don't forget div or class container. Okay, and then div class row here, and then this is the important thing in Bootstrap: class container row, and then the prefix div class call md. So I just use the default. Okay, and then 12 here. Okay, and then right click and pass here. Okay, and let's make much more td. Okay, it's so distract or not too good. Okay, so it's much more td, not to confuse. Okay, save, and then let's run, refresh. Okay, perfect, like this. And I just want to running first on we can try to simulation. Okay, try to let's resize our browser here. Perfect. Okay, our drop down it's run. Okay, and then I just want to change the color to more dark. Okay, and then so let's change the class. Okay, dark, and then perfect, like this. And it's not too good. Okay, so here I just choose the iPhone. Make sure use the iPhone, I mean the latest iPhone. So I just choose iPhone 10 here. Refresh. Perfect, like this. And then I just close. Okay, I just want to make the header much more darker here. Okay, and then we have the layout with a full width, I mean full width. Okay, from left to the right have dark color the background. So how we do implement the CSS? Okay, we can modify our CSS with Bootstrap, or we can combine, but don't forget use the different file. Okay, so I just create the another directory here, new folder, and then style, press enter, right click, new file, save, and then custom.css, and then I just want to split. Let's split. Okay, and call our CSS inside style folder here, or style directory there, and then call the file custom.css, and then create our script here, create our script or code here. This is our CSS. Just give the commenter like custom CSS. Okay, let's call our div here, div id header, and then the background, we must give the background color same like our navbar here. Right click, inspect, and then how do we get this color? So wait, let's do inspect element here. Okay, here, so we can copy here, save, and then let's try to run again, refresh. Okay, perfect. So we have that our layout full width, I mean there's a 100% here. Okay, I looks more beauty, I think here, much more nicer, okay, than before. Okay, perfect. And let's change our navigation here, I mean here, navbar. Let's change. How about image? We can give image here. So I just go to icon finder here, and then just search something like logo or whatever, free. Don't forget, I just want to use how about this Discord? Okay, let's put this inside our website. So I just choose PNG, and the dimension I just choose the 128 pixel here, not too much, I mean not too bigger. Okay, and then copy, put inside our folder. Okay, don't forget to create another folder, asset, and put the image here. Okay, and let's rename it logo. Okay, now hyperlink reference index.html, and then call our image okay, call our image source, and then asset here. Okay, logo.png, and let's run again. Okay, perfect. I think it's too much. Change our size to make it smaller here. Just using class logo here, div id header, class logo, and with how about 25 or 35 pixel here. And what we have in here is like this. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay. Home link drop down. I just want to change this, okay, or modify this navigation here, okay, or hyperlink. View. Okay. Home, I just give hyperlink reference, access this file itself, so index.html, and then this one I just want to give about, and I think I just copy. Okay, about, and then gallery, and then contact, like this. And let's run again. Okay, perfect, like this. Or we can remove drop down or a search button here. Okay, remove the drop down here. Okay. No. Programs, course, and then this one I just how about webmaster, and then how about mobile apps, application, something else. Digital marketing. Okay, from just remove. And how about gallery, contact course list, and then okay, this one, auto refresh, ml auto refresh. I just want to make that our navigation, the position is on the right, not on the left. ml auto. Okay, just forget it. It's not worked. Okay, next step is the content here. We must prepare our content first here. I mean the division we must prepare first. Here. Div id header, and then menu I think is not okay, it's not too important. Menu here I just remove it because we already have the navbar, so we just remove it. And then the content here, don't forget to create div class container, and then div class row, and then div class call nd. So I just want to create two column here. Give give the class prefix is 6. Okay, totally it's 12. We know that. call MD6 here. This is our left column, so this is our right column. The result is like this. Okay, perfect. And then here I just want to give like webmaster course, and then brick mobile application, and brick, and then digital marketing. So let's run again. Okay, like this. And on the other side, on the right side here, okay, left side, right side, I just want to create the slideshow using Carousel. It's from Bootstrap. Let's find here, Carousel here. This one, or we can use several feature, yeah, several feature here with indicator or just slide. Okay, like this. So for this tutorial, I just choose this with indicators. Just copy and paste here. Okay, make it more TD here. Okay, so we know, okay, it's not to confuse. Okay, and then let's give the image. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's prepare our image first inside our directory, as a directory, and change the name. Pick 1, pick 2, and pick 3. Okay, and let's start run again. Refresh. Okay, and let's call our image here asset slash pick1.jpg. I just copy and paste. Okay, like this, and like this, and okay, change the name, pick 1, 2, and 3. Let's start run again. Perfect, like this. Okay, there is several problem here that our layout is not perfect. It's not perfect, so we must fix the problem here. Webmaster and the image is too much close with our navigation. Okay, we must give the padding or margin a property inside our CSS. Okay. Content class container. So I just give class here, and then pt5, and then pb5 here. Let's start. Okay, perfect, like this. I think it's still we have still a problem here. If I try to minimize our browser here, it's too close. So I just give another class here, empty4 to empty4, and then refresh, and okay, perfect. It's much more better here. Okay, and how about give a feature like a button, call to action button, button here. Okay, copy and put, okay, put inside our code here, and then call us. Let's see. Okay, call us. Okay, and then let's create another div. Okay, another div. Okay, inside our website here. Div id content here. Create another div id content center like this, and then end of content center here, and let's make 4 or 3 photo here. How about 4? Div class container. Okay, and then div class row, and then div class colMD. 12 divided by 4 is 3 here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and then run again. Okay, perfect. 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, and then put our image here. Okay, I just use the image that already there. Okay, like before, and then call asset pic1.jpg, and let's copy and paste, but don't forget pic1, don't forget to call the responsive feature. Okay, like plus emg fleet. Okay, run again, refresh. Perfect here. Okay, I just copy and paste here, paste again here, paste again, paste again, and then change the file to, okay, let's put another image in our directory. Okay, okay, how about this? Copy and paste here, pick 4, and then let's start run again. Perfect, like this. And for image, and then the second div, and then I just want to create another div with the three image. Okay, so create another div class row here, and then this one here, paste here, and then change the column to 4. This is okay. I just want to change the file. Okay, like this, save, and let's start run again. Perfect, like this. It's not too good, okay, because the image is too much close, okay, from each other here. So we must give the space, I mean the gather. Okay, call md empty for, okay, paste again. Okay, this two, okay, like this. Refresh. Okay, and then let's try to refresh our browser here. Yes, our responsive, it works here. Okay, our responsive feature, it works. Okay, and then let's put another paragraph here. I just want to create another paragraph. It's like an article or something. Row here, div class call md 6 here, and create again div class call md 6 here, and tag p lorem. Okay, it's to lorem tab. Okay, and start run again. Perfect. Here it's too close, so don't forget to give empty4 and this to empty4 here, and we can see the result is like this. Okay, if we try to resize our browser, that our layout is adapt, okay, automatically, because we use the Bootstrap. Okay, and next things to do is I just want to create Google Maps here, and then kind like form here. Okay, so create another div here, div id content button, and then end of content button, and then div class call md6. Wait, div class call div class row. I always forgot this. Div class container. Wow. Div class container, and then div class row, and then div class call md, how about 6 and left, and then div class call md right here, and then okay, right and left. It's for contact us here, and it's for here contact us, and location here. Create our form with take HTML form here, and then don't forget use Bootstrap command like mb3 here, and label here a full name, and class form label here, and then input type text name, my name, and placeholder full name. Okay, and don't forget to put class form control. Okay, form control here. Let's start run again. Refresh here. Perfect. Okay, contact us. Okay, and then let's create another feature, mb3 here, and okay, like email label here, and then email, and class form label, and don't forget always use Bootstrap class. Okay, basically it's built-in from Bootstrap. If we miss or typo, it's not running, or the looks, I mean our layout not too good. Okay, not too beauty. Form control here, the type, okay, email, and name my email, and give the placeholder is email, just email. Okay, next is a div class mb3, and then a text area here. Don't forget to put our label first here, label and message, label class form label here. Okay, form label, and then class form control here, and name is message, and rows I just give 5. Okay, don't forget to give the placeholder input your message. Okay, let's start running again. Perfect. And then let's create our button here. Div class mb3, and then label here, not label but button, the button here, class ptn primary, and then the value not name is save, type submit, send. Okay, this is the button with the type, I mean have the type, have the submit type. Okay, button, and then class here ptn danger, name, cancel. Okay, type reset, and then this clear. Let's start run again, refresh here. Okay, I just call, okay, clear, perfect here. And our location here, so I just put Google Maps here, Google Maps, and let's call Kren Wisata. Okay, here, and then share, embed, copy HTML, and find help or ratio, and here I just want to use 1 1 1 2 1 1 4 2 3 4 by 3 here, 4. Okay, this 4 by 3. I just put here, let's pass here, and then tap. Okay, copy again and pass here. Okay, and let's start again, refresh. Perfect, like this. And let's create our footer. Okay, let's create our footer here. Create our footer. Okay, I just missing. Okay, here, div class call md about for column here. Container, and then div class row, and then div class call md here. 3 1 2 3 4 like this. And let's call our footer here from CSS file here. Okay, the color, I just want to use this, just use this background color here. And then don't forget to give class pt5 and pb5 here. And 1 2 3 4 div class container row, and then div class container row, I mean. Okay, row. Okay, and then div class container, and then wait, div class comd 12, and then let's make a copyright here. P copyright HTML entity here, copy. Okay, by me. Okay, and let's run again here. Perfect, like this. The color, let's change the color to white here, and refresh. Okay, perfect here. And P class text center to make our text center position align. Okay, and then this is our logo, our address, our site navigation, our social media. Okay, here image source asset, and then logo.png, and inline CSS style width 40 pixel here. And then let's start again. Okay, perfect. And okay, p lorem here, not too much. Okay, it's too much. Okay, like this. Okay, it's too much, like this. And then okay, perfect. And then this is it's 4 or it's 5 here, about us here, and then lorem here. Let's create again. Okay, perfect. So this is our set nav here on the right side. It's 5 and sitemap. Okay, li here, and hyperlink reference, go to index, home, and about, contact, and gallery. About, gallery, and contact, like this. Let's run again. Okay, perfect. Okay, remove our number here and the list, hyperlink, the color too. Okay, let's remove. Give the class foot menu here, call foot menu. Okay, and then li. Okay, list style set to none, and then what we have in here is like this. Perfect. And then foot menu, li, a text decoration set to none. Basically it's remove underline here. Okay, and then change the color to white, and text transform using capitalize. Okay, press enter again. Perfect, like this. The final section is our social media here. Okay, it's 5, and then follow us. URLi like this, and then like this. Okay, and font our some CDN here, and choose 5.15.4 5. Okay, here, and then copy. Okay, put our HTML here. Okay, like this, and class Facebook. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the final is YouTube. Okay, let's run. Okay, like this, and class follow. Okay, div id footer, class follow, and then li, list style none, and div id footer, follow, li a, and then float left, and margin give about 20 pixel here. For the result it's like this. Okay, and give the color Okay, class fib color to white. So okay, perfect. So I think it's enough. A little bit we have problem here, so I just skip it. Okay, this is our website with Bootstrap like this. Okay, for to access the contact, I just want to show how to create single page. Okay, one page layout, I mean. Click if we try to click this anchor, it's automatically go to contact. So the technique is like this. Here, okay, the contact here, content center bottom like this, and click. Perfect, like this. Okay, so I think it's enough. Okay, okay, perfect, like this. Okay, we must give the margin here. Okay, okay, now our website is responsive, that can adapt the device automatically. Okay, so that's it for today. Basically, it's just a simple tutorial about how to create a website that can adapt a kind of device like a smartphone or tablet. Okay, it's so simple, but we must know that if we want to implement our Bootstrap inside our CSS or layout, we must understand we must know the main concept of CSS itself, how it works. The CSS is okay, because CSS have like a class or ID. We must know, or we must understand. Thanks for watching. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.